Landskind Ricaforte Law, who are we? We are a small firm by choice. If you didn't know already, Renata and I are married. We met at one of our previous law firms. It's a large firm. It was a great experience. But for us, personally, it worked out that we wanted to open up our own practice.
We decided that when we opened the firm, that we wanted to stay small. And one of the main reasons that we did that is because, we do have experience with larger firms, and we found that when you are small, you remember every client, you know every client's history, and the clients feel like they have a relationship with you. These are difficult topics to talk about with people as they age, when there's trauma in families. So when a client calls and we know their name, it's just easier to have that conversation, to open up deeply. No, we're not therapists, but it is very similar when you're talking about deep family issues. And so our firm, every one of us, Terrence, myself, and our support staff, they know every client by name. They can typically remember all of their situations, and a lot of our clients love calling us and talking to us because they just hear a friendly voice on the other line. When you come into our office, there's somebody to always greet you, seat you, ask if you want a cup of coffee, make you comfortable before we get into the specifics and the difficulties of estate planning typically.
We work, but we don't live to work. I think that's a key difference with us, and I think that comes across with helping our clients out too, because we truly understand that it's about family, it's about loved ones.
Typically, when we have a client for life. A lot of our clients know, we do the initial estate planning, and they'll contact us down the road if they're selling their house, if they have the birth of a grandchild, if they need investment advice, because they know that we'll take the time. Not only have we completed our estate planning job, but they know we'll take the time to advise them and to put them in the right direction and push them towards the right people who will assist them, because we care what happens to them in the future.
Sometimes we say we like to take our clients from the cradle to the grave, because it is true. We have clients who have grandchildren, or clients who have children for the first time. They get married, they go through life events, and then their loved ones become clients too. And I think that's a testament and a compliment to both of us and our colleagues that work with us. We've been able to set up initial consultations through either in person, either here at the office or at another location or your home. We can meet with you via video conference, via Zoom or Microsoft Teams. We can have a phone conference. And what helps us out is we send out planning surveys, just so you can give us the information. So when we're initially meeting, we're going over your specific details and getting to where we need to go to in an efficient process.
One of the things I'm most proud of is that a lot of our clients, and even just potential clients, when they call the office and they speak with our staff, they tell me after how amazing each and every one of them is, and how lucky we are to have them. And we know that the entire firm, us as attorneys and the staff, have a relationship where we are a team. We help each other, we assist each other, we're there for each other when somebody's out, so that we can help the clients. And the reason we wanted to build this culture, as Terrence said, we are dealing with families. We understand what families are, and we like our own family. We want to have time with them, and our staff feels the same way. So essentially, when you come into Landskind Ricaforte, everybody's there to make you feel comfortable.
So if you find yourself in a situation where you need help with your estate planning, estate litigation, Medicaid planning, and so forth, we help clients in the New York City area, Long Island, Nassau and Suffolk County, and also Westchester County and some parts of upstate. So please give us a call today, because
in a time of crisis, we bring comfort and clarity at L&R Law.